Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm answering the question, how do I send money through Lazypay? Now, based on the available information, Lazypay's primary services revolve around providing a credit line to users for transactions with merchants, paying bills, or availing personal loans. Lazypay does not offer a feature to directly send money to friends or other individuals. Here's a breakdown of how you can use Lazypay for permitted transactions. You can use Lazypay for payments. So I'm going to be concentrating on payments. You can buy now, pay later, and scan and pay. These are the two ways you can use it. You can use it for buy now, pay later, or you can use it for scan and pay. We're using Lazypay for payment. You see, Lazypay allows you to make payments using your assigned credit limit at approved online and offline merchants. Ensure you have the Lazypay app and have completed the necessary setup and KYC verification to get a credit line. Then you shop on a partner website or app or at a physical store that says Lazypay, scan and pay. Look for the Lazypay option at the checkout or a Bharat Paytm BHIM QR code for scan and pay. Once you see it, select Lazypay as your payment method for online or scan the QR code for scan and pay offline. Confirm the transaction using the method required by Lazypay, often a one-tap confirmation or potentially an OTP for the first transaction with a new merchant. The payment is processed using your Lazypay credit limit. Repay the amount spent according to your Lazypay billing cycle, which is typically every 15 or 30 days, to avoid interest or late fees. Repayment options are available within the Lazypay app. It's as simple as that.